Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the preferred language for your Google Drive. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged in. In case you have not, do log into your Google account and go to drive.google.com. Initially, what we have to do is simply go to Settings. At the top right next to the question mark icon, you will see a gear-like icon like this. That is Settings. Click on it. From here, once again, let us go to Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, well, as you can see, there are lots of options. Simply scroll down till you see something like Language. And right here, just below it, there's a button like this that says Change Language Settings. Click on it right now. A new page will open up, and from here, as you can see, my preferred language is English, and I want to change it. I'm gonna click on this Add Another Language button right here. Simply search for the language that you wish to add. And finally, once you've chosen it, it's gonna ask you to choose an option. I'm gonna choose one right now. And once everything's okay, hit on Save. Well, as you can see, my preferred language right now is English. So let's simply change it to Spanish. Right here, in the Spanish section, you will see an upward button like this. Simply click on it. And then there you go. Your preferred language has been changed. And guys, that is it. That's how you change your preferred language in Google. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.